Hi, I'm Marc Accetta, your Director of Training, and pardon the pun, but WorldVentures is ready to fly into 2018. We'll be bringing our momentum training all around the world with one thing in mind: to create momentum in the beginning of the year for you and your teams. This January, we will be headed south for the winter and invading Orlando, Florida for our 2018 momentum. The trainers at that event will be Double International Marketing Director Carrie Schneider, International Marketing Director Carlos Rogers, International Marketing Director Travis Just, International Marketing Director Jefferson Santos, Double International Marketing Director Matt Morris, and Quadruple International Marketing Director Troy Brown. We love doing a sports-themed event for this because there's so much we can learn, so many analogies and metaphors that we learn from sports, and it's really simple. We have to play together as a team. We're one big team, but we must also learn how to shine as individuals within a team concept, and we need to win. We got rid of this, it doesn't matter if you win or lose, it's how you play the game. That's not true. Momentum, we're gonna show you how to win the game. You're gonna win with class, dignity, poise, all those things. We're gonna show you and your teams how to win in WorldVentures. 2018 is gonna be a record year for us. Let's make 2018 a record year for you.